It's time for a better approach to behavioral health. 6 in 10 employees are facing a noticeable level of stress, anxiety, or depression. Yet fewer than 1 in 10 are currently receiving any support or treatment. Employers have a role to play, and they need a better end-to-end solution that reaches their people where they are and provides meaningful results. That's where Unum comes in. Our new behavioral health solution is designed to provide robust support to individuals across the entire continuum of behavioral health. This unique solution includes an upfront assessment to understand the individual's specific needs, an engaging program that normalizes behavioral health and provides ongoing education for employees, managers, and leaders, personalized support recommendations based on each person's needs, and prevention and treatment options, including virtual coaching for stress management and digital one-on-one therapy for anxiety and depression. This proven program helps individuals prioritize and manage their behavioral health for better outcomes at work and at home, with a more accessible and results-driven approach. Learn more about the Unum solution and start your journey today.